In this short video, I'll guide you through the simple methods to view your old call history on your iPhone. Struggling to find a specific call from months ago? Let's explore the different methods to access your iPhone's call history. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate iPhone settings and optimize their device's functionality. Today, we'll focus on retrieving your call history. Stay with me until the end to discover additional tips for managing your iPhone's data and privacy. Now, let's get started on viewing your old call history. The first method is by using the iPhone's Recents tab. The Recents tab displays the most recent calls. To start, open the Phone app. Tap on the Recents tab. Then scroll through the list to view your most recent calls. As can be seen, the Recents tab typically shows only the last 100 calls. Therefore, older calls may not be visible. Before we continue with additional methods to view beyond the 100 recent calls, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Apple tips. Now, let's continue with how to see old call history on iPhone. The second method is to contact your mobile carrier. Most carriers offer detailed call history through their online portals or apps. To explore this option, log into your carrier's account and search for call history or billing history. You may be able to access a more extensive record of your calls, including dates, times, and durations. This is so because, in many jurisdictions, carriers are required to retain call records for a specific period for compliance purposes. If you have enabled iCloud Backup, your call history might be included in the backup. You can restore your iPhone from a previous backup to access older call records. Check our detailed video tutorial for how to restore your iPhone from a previous backup. Also, some third-party apps specialize in call history management and may offer additional features like exporting or filtering calls. Click this card to explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more helpful tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for tuning in.